That bill got its inspiration from the philosophy or the principle that I got from my father to put value in education. My dad struggled to go to school, especially for college, because he had to work and stop schooling. Sabi niya sa akin, dahil hindi ako nakapagtapos ng school on time, gusto ko kayo matapos ng school. Very goal-oriented siya. Many times I would be discouraged. There was a time na I wanted to quit from our family business. They would still encourage me to learn from my mistakes and move on. Yung free higher education, that was a concept that we formulated in 2015 from the philosophy or the principle that I got from my father to put value in education. Marami tayong mga constituents, they value education, they want to finish school, at wala naman silang financial capability. Since hindi naman mabigat sa gobyerno tanggalin yung tuition fee, we filed that bill. In 2017, that bill was approved. To all the dads out there, maraming salamat sa lahat ng lessons na binigay mo sa amin. Now that we're older, we appreciate all the discipline, all the very tough goals that you gave us, that gave us grit and determination. I salute them for that. So, happy Father's Day to all our fathers.